Good morning everyone. Myself Jayashree Bharatlal Khajuria, B.Ed second year, third sem. Today I am representing my topic of cell. Cell. What is cell? Definition of cell. The cell is a basic structural, functional and biological unit of life. There are types. Eukaryotic cell contains the membrane of bound cell organelles. Example is animal cell, plant cell. Second is prokaryotic cell, lacks the membrane bound cell organelles. Example is bacterial cell. Functions of cell: provided structural and support, facilities growth through the process of cell division, produce energy through the various chemical reactions, allow passive and active transport nutrient and waste product, create metabolic reactions to make an organelles, helps in the process of reproduction. Cell. The structure of human cell. Human cell is basically divided into three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane, also known as plasma cell, it is a thin, elastic and semi-permeable phospholipid bilayer membrane that surrounds a cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid contained in the cell that contains the cell organelles. It contains the following structures: mitochondria, nucleus, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, cytoskeleton, microfilaments, microtubules, centrosome. Third, nucleus. Nucleus is a rounded structure which acts as the control center of the cell. Cell membranes, also known as plasma membrane, it is a thin, elastic and semi-permeable phospholipid bilayer membrane that surrounds a cell. There are some functions of cell membranes. It forms the boundary of cell. It allows nutrient into the cell. It removes waste out of the cell. It maintains the shape of the cell. It helps in the transport of ions into or out of the cell. It acts as the sensory surface like receptors. Nucleus. There are classifications. Control center of the cell. Double membranes contain chromosomes made up DNA molecules. Nucleus, nucleoplasm. Functions of nucleus: it controls the growth of reproduction of cell. It maintains the nutritive and all metabolic activities of cell. It contains DNA which transfers the character to the offspring. It produces protein and RNA. It acts as the control center of cell. Mitochondria. Power of house of the cell. Has two bilobed layer of membrane. Inner layer has folding called crypticize. There are some functions of mitochondria. It produces energy for cell in the form of ATP. It also contains DNA that controls replications of cell. It helps in a cellular respiration. Endoplasmic reticulum. Some classification: transport system of cell. Two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulars are some functions. They move different substance within the cell. They communicate with the cell membrane, nucleus and other organelles. Rough ER contains ribosome which helps in a protein synthesis. They help in a detoxification some drugs. They also synthesize lipid substance in a cell. Golgi apparatus. Classification: packaging house of a cell consists 3 to 20 flattened curved sacs. Functions: they received the protein of endoplasmic reticulum. They package the protein of secondary vesicle. They help in the production of some hormones and enzymes. They act as a temporary storage of protein. Ribosome. They are the protein factories of the cell. They are made in a protein and RNA. They synthesize protein. They are found in both endoplasmic reticulum and its cytoplasm. Lysosome. These are membrane vesicle pinched of the Golgi apparatus. They contain digestive enzyme. They destroy the digest and the foraging material. Example: harmful bacteria, virus. Sometimes they break down themselves, so they are also called as a suicidal bag or atom bomb of cell. Cytoskeleton. Then the network of protein filaments and microtubules in the cytoplasm that control cells shapes, maintains intracellular organization and is involved in the cell movement. Types: microfilament. These are the smallest protein fibers. Provide structural support, maintain the shape of cell, causes contraction. Example: actin in the muscle cell. Microtubules. These are large contractile protein fibers. These are involved in the movement of organelles within the cell, chromosome during the cell division, sex extensions. Centrosome has an important. Next, here is, thank you so much for attending my PPT. Thank you.